talking about. First thing I wanted to show you is a video of a visitor going through ClickTale. So this demo is running on ClickTale.com. Okay, so you can see this web page inside. You can run the video in multiple speeds and jump to specific pages of this visitor. So I'm not touching my mouse anymore. What you see inside here is the mouse of the visitor. Okay, so as you can see, scrolling up and down and looking around. And these videos have amazing value to our customers. So they're telling us that they find out issues they could never find out before. They're looking at visitors that browse in ways they didn't know about, or don't understand certain things, or gets hung up on certain matters that could be fixed with some UI changes. These videos really give you a lot of values on how the customers are really interacting with your website. It's maybe worth mentioning that the implementation of ClickTale is very light. It's a one line of code on each page you want to record. The actual recording is not heavy. The coordinates of the mouse, etc. It's not a heavy process, and a recording weighs on average about 5K, and it's sent out to the servers in batches of 1K, so it really doesn't affect the network of the client. Also, the code is loaded at the end of the page, so the loading of the website, the speed of the loading of the website is also not affected. And let me jump to page number 12, the last page, where you can actually see what happens when somebody actually inputs something on the website. So this is our contact us form, and you can see this person just clicked something and he started typing his name and his email address, etc. And on the top where the input line is, you can actually see exactly what he's typing. So he's typing tab or backspace or anything like that. So we capture basically everything, unless you mark this field as sensitive, like credit card information, etc. We'll actually record it. The only thing we don't record on default are passwords, and like I said, fields that you mark as sensitive. So as long as the person submits the information, we'll actually show it to you. So these are the videos, and we can watch a lot of them, but I think you get the idea. The second thing I wanted to show you is the search. As I said before, it enables you to filter through all the noise and find the interesting videos to look at. So I'm just going to run through the filters. The first one is dates. You can filter based on dates. There are pages. Sometimes you just want to watch visitors that got to specific pages, like specific landing pages or your home page, etc. There are referrals, original referrals, visitors activity. There's a few filters there. Maybe I'll just go through one example using tags. So tags are basically, you can tag any link or button or page, and then go and use these tags to find visitors. So you can define scenarios here. So for example, we have a tag on our sign up button. All right, so I can just go and search for visitors that signed up to ClickTale. Then I can see these visitors and see what they're looking at before they sign up. Are they looking at the features page or not? Are they seeing the movie on our home page or not? And then I can actually look at the visitors that got to our sign up page that did not sign up. So I can also exclude tags and then maybe figure out what the problem might have been. And think about how many scenarios you can define here. You can see people that got to a specific page and clicked a certain button or didn't click a certain button, or people that got to page A, B but didn't reach page C. So you can define a funnel and see videos of people dropping out of the funnel, etc. So there are limitless possibilities to these tags, and this is a very powerful tool. The other thing I wanted to show you, maybe there are demographics, so you can use this for usability testing based the videos on countries, languages, browsers, etc. There are filters based on time. There's also dimensions, so you can look at specific dimensions and see how visitors with different types of resolutions and different type of fold heights see a website. So this is, for example, I chose fold height, which is the last visible area on your website, so you have to scroll down to get below the fold. And here I can actually see the distribution of the fold of the visitors that got to ClickTale.com. Okay, so I have two peaks here, and this is different for each website because each website have different type of visitors. And then you can go and search for people with this type of fold and see their sessions and see how they experience your website. And then you can do another search for people with a different type of fold. Okay, and I'll also show you a visual implementation of this on the heat maps. Okay, so this is the search. I'm not going to go through all the filters. Second thing I wanted to show you is the form analytics. I'll start with Google Funnels. This is our sign up page in Google Analytics. So you can see how many people drop on the page, how many people leave, and how many people actually succeed. So it's a 79% in this case. but it really doesn't tell me enough why people are leaving. I just see where they're exiting to, but I don't really know what's going on inside and why they're not completing. So for this specific, for forms, checkout places, etc., we developed a series of 5 reports. This is a great series of reports, and it comes with a simple implementation of ClickTale. You get all that as well. So let me run quickly through the reports. The first one is a conversion report, which actually takes this bottom line conversion rate number and cuts it to 3 different numbers. The first one tells you what percentage of